Welcome back to Everyday English for Business.
I am ready for another in the podcast series where we help you use English with confidence and clarity at work or for your everyday use.
So, have you ever had a moment at work where everything went sideways, but you had to keep a calm face?
Definitely. I was leading a live product demo when the screen share froze. 6 clients watching. Internally, I was panicking.
That was a high-stakes nightmare. What did you do?
I smiled, took a breath, and said, "Looks like the tech wants to build some suspense." On the outside, I kept my cool.
And that's our phrase today. Keep your cool. We're going to break it down, look at common mistakes, and show you how to use it to sound professional under pressure.
First, let's break down the expression itself. When we say cool here, we don't mean a cold temperature. In this phrase, cool means calm and composed.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about pronunciation. The stress is on the last word. Listen, keep your cool. Say it with us. Keep your cool.
Notice how the words keep your connect smoothly? It's not keep your cool. It's a single connected phrase. Keep your cool.
So, when is it appropriate to use this? Keep your cool is perfect for professional, but slightly informal conversations, like talking with a colleague or in an interview.
But what's the difference between this and just saying stay calm? Keep your cool implies you're managing an internal feeling of stress or anger. Stay calm is more general.
And for a very formal report or a conversation with senior leadership, you might choose a more formal phrase like, I maintained my composure.
Here's a common mistake we hear from learners. Sometimes they might say, I kept cool in the meeting.
It's close, but the expression or idiom needs the possessive pronoun my. The correct phrase is always, I kept my cool. That little word, my, is part of the expression. It's not optional.
And what about the opposite? If you get angry, you lost your cool. Let's practice both. Repeat after us. I kept my cool. He lost his cool.
Now, let's put it all together in that crucial interview situation. The question is, tell me about a time you worked under pressure.
During a product launch, a system failed an hour before go live. It was a tense situation, but I knew it was important to keep my cool. I focused on activating our backup plan and coordinating clear communication. I believe that maintaining my composure helped the team stay focused and solve the problem effectively.
That's a perfect answer. It uses both the target expression and its formal synonym, showing great range.
Now, it's important to know that in many Western business cultures, keeping your cool is highly valued. It shows leadership.
However, this isn't a universal rule. In some cultures, expressing emotion can be seen as honest and authentic. Being aware of this difference is key to navigating a global workplace successfully.
All right, let's recap today's key phrases. Our main expression was keep your cool.
A more formal alternative is maintain your composure.
And the opposite is lose your cool.
And your model sentence for an interview is, even under pressure, I was able to keep my cool and focus on the solution.
It's time for you, our listener, to put this idea into practice. Think about this question. Tell me about a time you had to work under pressure.
You could record yourself saying it, or just jot a quick answer in your notebook. You could also share your story online with #KeepYourCool.
Choose whatever feels doable today. Just take one step forward. That's how growth happens.
Do you want more tools to speak confidently at work and in interviews?
Grab our guide, Behavioral Interview Power. Impress employers in business.
It's filled with sample answers, powerful expressions, and audio and video practice to help you shine even when you're under pressure.
You'll find the link in the show notes or just scan the QR code.
Next time, we'll explore the phrase drop the ball, how to talk about mistakes at work without losing credibility.
Thanks for joining us on Everyday English for Business.
Keep practicing, keep growing.
And remember, when the pressure's on, the coolest head in the room always leads the room.